बिल्कुल बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है और बहुत ही इन दिस टीम आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ सीनियर प्लेयर्स आल्सो मेक फन ऑफ मी
Ash is little bit प्यार में
100% मतलब बहुत ही
यार वो भूली का एक बार मतलब बताइए यार वो भूली
थोड़ा
थी तो
भूली मतलब मजाक मस्ती हाँ छेड़ते तो है ही।
छेड़ते हैं। We'll start with you. Congratulations, top of the table. कैसा लग रहा है? कैसी फीलिंग्स आ रही है?
काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है अभी तो, और अभी मुझे लग रहा है 5 गेम और बच्चों के 4 गेम, तो हम कोशिश करेंगे कि वो अच्छे से खेलें।
थोड़ा कंप्लेसेंसी कभी कभी आ सकता है कि जब इतने आराम से सब जीत रहे हो, पर अब एक मैच अगर 1 रन से हार जाओ थोड़ा अच्छा धक्का लगता है कभी कभी।
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि क्रिकेट है इसलिए इतना मज़ा आता है वो खेलने में, तो और हर मैच ऐसा ही हो रहा है कि हम काफ़ी मेहनत करके जीत रहे हैं, तो बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है।
Ash, tell me how's the season going so far? How do you feel after so many IPL seasons?
I feel tired. Yeah, look, I think we played some good cricket. It's been a very interesting IPL so far, very different than what's happened in the past. So there's always something new to learn, and yeah, it's glad that we've got on the right side of some of the close games.
Robin, why don't you tell us how this season has been for you with the Rajasthan Royals?
It's been pretty good. You know, first time in the Royals family. You know, it coming all the way from the Caribbean. It's always important to feel a part of something. You know, credit has to be given to the Royal guys. I think they let me feel a part of something. You know, so far it's been a pretty good season. Still a lot of work to be done. Hopefully we can do those work.
And of course we go to the bowling coach. I've got another letter. I keep getting letters from the village. But let's ask Bondi, how's it been for you with the Rajasthan Royals? You've spent a lot of time with Mumbai Indians. That's a very big team. This is a tighter unit. It feels like from the outside. Is that true?
Yeah, it's been a great team. It's always nice to come into a team and work with different people. Obviously, there's 3 great players here. From a coaching perspective, you're always looking to learn as well. So when you're working, obviously, with one of the great spinners of all time, the West Indies captain, and this up-and-coming star, you're always watching, learning, listening, and it's been a lot of fun. It's a stressful competition. So when you're sitting at the table with 8 wins under your belt, it sort of just de-stresses everything, makes things a little bit more relaxed as well.
Yeah, winning ज़्यादा लोग आते होंगे सेल्फी खींचने, हर सीजन पर सीजन बढ़ता ही जा रहा है।
बिल्कुल बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है और बहुत ही मतलब I'm really grateful that people are giving me that much love and support, and I'm really thankful for that. And yeah, I'm just making sure that I should enjoy and put my focus on my work, what I do, and make sure that I entertain them and make sure that they are having fun whenever they are coming.
So you entertain the crowd, but who entertains you in this team?
In this team, I have a lot of senior players also make fun of me.
Ash is like, oh no. Yeah.
I think, yeah, and I have good friends like Dhruv, Rian and Sanju Bhai. Then like we are having really nice time together, and of course all Jaws Bhai and
Yeah. Does Ash bully you? सच बता दो, थोड़ा सा, little bit, प्यार में।
100% मतलब बहुत ही
यार वो भूली का एक बार मतलब बताइए यार वो भूली
थोड़ा
थी तो
भूली मतलब मजाक मस्ती हाँ छेड़ते तो है ही।
छेड़ते हैं ना? कब लास्ट किस चीज के बारे में छेड़ते हैं? हर चीज के बारे में?
नहीं, वो उनके मूड के ऊपर रहता है कि जैसे हाँ अभी पता है ऐश भाई की, मेरे को समझ में आ जाता है हाँ ऐश भाई अभी कभी गुस्से में है कभी शांत है, मैं भी वैसे समझ के ले लेता हूँ।
गुस्से में कब मिला यार बता?
हमेशा जब मैं शॉर्ट लेग पे बैठा था एक बॉल मेरे से छूटा एकदम, यस यू हैव टू टेक इट, आई सेड यस ऐश भाई बट आई कांट सी द बॉल।
गौरव ये गलत है. The way you guys have planned this up is not right. Because he's talking about test matches. जहाँ ये शॉर्ट लेग में खड़ा रहता है यार. मैंने इसको गुस्से में बोला एक बार, यश तेरे जगह एक पत्थर रखे ना, वो 2-3 बॉल रोक लेता है. तू उधर ही खड़े रहता है. नाम तो उसमें लिख देना यश यशस्वी जायसवाल. The stone will stop 2-3 runs. ऑब्वियसली होता है यार, टेस्ट मैच में एक बंदा 40 ओवर डाल रहा है, 50 ओवर डाल रहा है, ये रोकता ही नहीं, तो
बिल्कुल।
वो गुस्सा नहीं है, वो रिएक्शन है।
मतलब फन वाला रिएक्शन था।
नहीं, ये बहुत funny है यार, but that's really funny. That's a good one. I have to say though, this team, I mean, with your team, even now that you've spoken about Test cricket, ये Test की टीम में भी सब बहुत मजा किए हैं। Everybody is a lot of fun. लगा ही रहता है उधर भी सब कुछ।
नहीं, रोहित ऐसे ही नहीं लिखा है गार्डन में घूमने वाले लोग, ये सच में गार्डन में घूमने वाले लोग ही है। You know what happened? हम लोग we were in that Hyderabad test or maybe the next one, I can't remember. The test match is balanced, like in the poise. फिर तो बॉल मेंटेनेंस एक चीज होती है, I don't know if people are aware of it. So whenever you shine the ball, the shiny side is supposed to be kept dry. So the ball is passed to Yashasvi, पूरा ऐसा तूक लगाकर ऐसा हाथ में रख देता है वो। फिर ये he will pass it on to Shubman Gill. The guy will be just catching the ball like this and tossing it around. यार स्वेट लगाएगा तो बॉल रिवर्स नहीं होगा। हाँ क्या बाजी? यार। And then obviously I think it comes with a little bit of experience and all that. But yeah, I mean वो गुस्से नहीं था यार, वो
So that's fun.
बट इतने बार इसको हेल्प किया, वो एक बार भी नहीं बताया। तुम लोग प्लान किया होगा कुछ ना कुछ।
बताओ
कि जब फर्स्ट इंग्लैंड गया था, पहला टूर मेरा इंडियन टीम के साथ था, तो मैं जब बैटिंग करने गया नेट्स में, तो मैं काफ़ी कंफ्यूज था और थोड़ा नर्व्स थोड़े ऊपर नीचे हो जाते। तभी कोई चाहिए जो आपसे बात करे आके, और उस टाइम पे भी मुझे, और फिर जब मैं वेस्ट इंडीज़ में था तभी, तो हर टाइम बात हमारी होती रहती है। जब भी मेरे को डाउट आता है कि मैच में कैसा लग रहा है, विकेट कैसा है, कैसा खेलेगा विकेट, और कौन से शॉट्स ऑन है, और तू कैसे खेल सकता है, जब भी उनको लगता है कि विकेट थोड़ा स्लो है या स्पिन हो रहा है, तो काफ़ी मदद मिलती है जब बात होता है ऐश भाई से और ऑल द सीनियर प्लेयर्स से। जैसे भी
वो जो टांग खींचने वाली बात थी, उससे ज्यादा पैशन निकला था ना, ये इस वाली बात में थोड़ा पैशन कम निकला थोड़ा, है ना, हेल्प वाली बात में।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, आप
मजाक कर रहा हूं यार। हम दोनों एंड से मस्ती कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए दोनों एंड से, अभी दोनों एंड से अटैकिंग बॉलिंग आ रही है इधर, पर मैं हाफ वॉली डालूंगा इसके बाद, सब हाफ वॉली है। बट लेट मी आस्क, सॉरी यू वर सेइंग समथिंग एल्स? I was going to ask Robman, tell me, in this team, I know that one character who we know very well, all of us know, is UC Chahal, right? He is a great character. Have you ever had any interactions with him?
Fortunately for me, I've interacted with him for quite some time, while playing for West Indies and he playing for India, so over a few years.
Yeah, is he still the same always? He still is the same here, whether you're in the same team or you're in the opposite team, he's exactly the same, isn't he?
That is the testament of the man. He's exactly the same person, regardless of playing against or with.
Bondi, I want to ask you a question. This is, a serious cricketing question. This is a solid bowling lineup that you have. It must be great fun and a challenge to be working with this group.
Yeah, it is. We've got, 5 outstanding bowlers playing and some sitting on the bench not getting the opportunity. Trying to get Rodman to bowl a little bit more too, that's a bit of a challenge, but he hasn't been required. Yeah, it's good. I mean, when you're working with world-class bowlers, it makes my job easier. And it's a testament to the way the boys have gone so far that we're sitting where we are. And now it's just about nailing the stuff at the back end of the tournaments and winning those big games, and hopefully we can lift that trophy again.
And out of the games that you played so far, which one was the most nerve-wracking for you to watch?
Oh, there's been a few. The last one was tough. KKR was amazing. Probably for me, Mumbai, because I just wanted to beat them. Sorry.
That always happens, but Ash, that happens, right? When you're playing against your older team with your new team, so a little extra comes, no?
I know where you're getting there with this.
No, not actually.
No, look, I think it is part of who we are as sportsmen.
Yeah.
Sometimes people watching from the outside do not get that. It's like they show you in a very different light because they're fans of another team.
Yeah.
But it is what it is. It's like playing with your elder brother or younger brother in your garden or your backyard or whatever. So you want to do well. You also want to have some pride about your performance. So that comes out a lot more when you're playing against a team that you're familiar. Nothing beyond that. I mean, there's nothing personal at all.
Yeah, but it's just that whole excitement about it's. Yeah, I think you put it so nicely. it's like playing against an older brother or a younger brother, where beating that person's team is just a little sweeter. It always feels a little nicer. यशस्वी, आपके लिए फेवरेट गेम जो इस सीजन की रही है, बेस्ट गेम, या तो जिसमें नर्व ज्यादा थे या जिसमें आपको लगा कि ये वाले जो 2 पॉइंट थे ये ज्यादा मीठे थे बाकी 2 पॉइंट से?
मुझे लगता है जो मैच हम जीते पंजाब के अगेंस्ट, वो मैच बहुत क्रूशल था हमारी टीम के लिए भी, और वो टाइम भी बहुत क्रूशल था जिसमें हम जीते. तो आई थॉट दैट वाज द गेम रियली क्रूशल, एंड फॉर मी आल्सो दैट गेम वाज रियली क्रूशल बिकॉज आई वाज आल्सो गेटिंग इन. Then that game was like I had to focus a lot and make sure that I'm calm when I'm under pressure and make sure taking the game as deep as I can.
इस बारी थोड़ा सा are you, obviously there's a lot of support you're getting, people are calling you title contenders, serious title contenders after 2008, now 2024, everyone is quite convinced that you can lift the trophy. Ash, you're the best person actually to answer this, because you know you're so experienced, you played this so much. I know that sometimes the youngsters can get affected by it. I'm guessing now that outside noise of that pressure of people expecting you to win, that doesn't affect you as much now as it probably did a decade ago.
I've been practicing something over the last few years, which is to stay away from reading what the social media is saying.
Yeah.
If I want to put something out there, I put something and just leave.
Yeah, best. Raddo hota.
It's like going and knocking on somebody else's door and not waiting for them to open their door, and you just leave. So I just put it out there, and whatever I want to say, I leave. Sometimes this is, it's white noise.
Yeah.
It makes no sense. In this particular format, on that day, then and there, it just comes down to margins. So you can't definitely say somebody is going to be a title contender. I've been in teams where we've come from way far behind and won the title.
Yeah.
So all these things don't matter when it comes to the back half of the tournament. It's very important that you stack up good performances so that you have the right amount of experience getting into the big game, which I think is going okay. At the end of the day, getting to the back half of the tournament is staying fresh and staying, sort of neutral, and then things will take care of itself.
Yeah. I actually want to ask, in terms of bowlers, sometimes do you look at these 270, 280 scores being hit, and first do you think, oh, I'm happy I'm retired, I'm not playing anymore, so that's good. But do you sometimes look at this and say, can we get something for the bowlers as well, please?
No, I love it actually. I mean, I marvel at the batting, the striking ability, the willingness to come out from ball one and hit the ball. I know Ash won't say that's what he enjoys, but it's fun, like the ball striking ability. So for me, it's for the bowlers. There's an opportunity. If you can bowl well now, there's an opportunity. A, you're going to make a lot of money, and B, you're going to help your team win. So our team have gone just over 200 only a couple of times. And at the end of the day, that's what you want to do as a player, is keep evolving. The batting's really evolved over the last few years, and bowling's probably still catching up a little bit. And for me as a coach, that's quite exciting.
But Ash, कभी लगता है ऐसे कि when you're bowling and the other team is hitting 250, 260 runs, do you sometimes look at that? You're looking at it on TV or you're looking at it on the ground, and do you think क्या करूँ मैं job छोड़ दूँ क्या करूँ?
No, I think I tend to agree with Bondi. There is a clear window where you can differentiate yourself. Sometimes when you're looking for recognition on the outside, then it's tough, but it's not about what's on the outside. Like you said, one of the strengths of our team has been the fact that we've gone at industrial rate and lesser, which is what you have to look at as a bowling unit. And it is quite amazing, right? The marveling of how the ball striking has happened. But it's just not that. And I also think all these cricket stadiums that are holding these games now aren't relevant for the modern day sport. I think they were built once upon a time in 1960s and 70s. And then the bats that were used were probably the ones I used in gully cricket.
Yeah.
So now the bats have come through a long way. The boundaries are still staying in. The sponsors have come in and made sure we've got LED boards around, which makes things harder. It reduces the ground size by another few yards, another 10 yards. I mean, these are all occupational hazards, as I would call it, but like always, the game shifts the balance, and then you have to make sure you find answers. That's the greatness about being a bowler in this particular format. However, there's one thing, what is that you said? You said something else after the bowling marvel. Okay.
Did he just say it right now?
It's an opportunity for the
Yeah, which I agree. Which I agree. It is an opportunity if you want to differentiate yourself. But look, I think the other aspect that the game needs to be very wary of is tilting the balance too far ahead of the other side, which will make somebody's misery your great time. And like I definitely do believe that this format has got to a stage where the bowlers need support, sometimes mental support. And it has gotten there, but like Bondi rightly said, if you've got coaches like Bondi and helping you by the side, it's always going to be amazing.
Yeah, the size of the ground is very interesting because some grounds, I think in Chinnaswamy and Wankhede, I think the boundary is inside the 30-yard circle.
Gaurav, you're mistaken. You're deeply mistaken. So what happened, we were playing that 220 at Eden.
Yeah.
I was standing at short third man. I had conceded about 47 or 48 for the night.
Yeah.
And there was one instance where I conceded 47 at Eden and I was like fuming. Oh my God, I could have given 6. I'm always thinking, where could I have cut that extra 6 runs or 10 runs? Because I'm the one that's probably chasing it at the end like I did with Rahman the other day. So I was really angry. I was chewing the bubble gum. I turned around and spit it. It went for a 6. I'm like, oh my God, where is parity in this sport?
Obviously, the batters don't mind that the boundary is small. Actually, for Rodman, it doesn't matter. Even if you took the boundary outside the stadium, he'd still hit a 6. You'll be able to clear. I think Wankhede, Eden Gardens, Chinnaswamy, you can hit it outside the stadium. It's not a problem.
Yeah, I think I can hit it outside the stadium, but not on a regular basis. Hit a 1 or 2 shots outside the stadium is good, but it's the consistency of how far you hit the ball that really matters.
Yeah, I want to ask Yashasvi, ये जो ground की discussion होती है, when people say the ground should become bigger, opening batter क्या बोलता है?
कुछ नहीं बोलता है, जैसा वो अपना, मैं तो कुछ बोलता नहीं।
मैं करता हूँ बस।
क्या?
It's like going and asking a kid, you have 5 chocolates, are you happy with it? The kid is going to ask for more, so he's going to ask for less. So, you won't believe this, Gaurav. We played the first game at Jaipur. The boundary was huge, okay? So literally for me, at this point of my career, I had to take a bicycle to go to the boundary. and we defended 180 odd. Can you believe that in the modern day sport? And Dhruv was sitting outside, Dhruv Jurel, and he said, "Bhaiya yaar, ye boundary bahut bada lagta hai yaar." I said, "Kahin to hone de yaar. Ek do ground mein chalega." The next game I went, it felt like, okay, I could run to that boundary. The next game I went, it was walkable. The last game I went, it was, like I said, fittable. It was fittable. So it kept coming closer. So that's the, it's, at the end of the day, people are coming there to watch the batsman score. Boundaries are entertainment value, so we need to embrace it. There's no complaints.
Yes, let me ask you, जब आप बड़े हो रहे थे और जब आप क्रिकेट देखते थे, कौन से वो बैटर थे जिनको देख के आपको बड़ा अच्छा लगता था?
जब भी मैं छोटा था तभी मैं सचिन सर की बैटिंग बहुत देखता था, मुझे बहुत पसंद था उनकी बैटिंग देखना, तो मैं उनकी बैटिंग बहुत देखता हूँ.
And of course, Shane Bond has spent a lot of time with Sachin. He's saying he enjoyed watching Sachin bat. You've enjoyed watching Sachin bat as well, from very close quarters?
Not bowling to him, I didn't really enjoy that. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter who it is. If you're up and watching great players and people who make something look so effortless, it's fun. And I was lucky I got to play against, Cullis, Ponting, Tendulkar, Lara, that generation of batsmen. And there were times, not when you were bowling, but when you're in the field, you just marvelled at the way they went about their work. And then obviously now we're all old, those blokes. So you can talk about, Kumar Sangakkara is a perfect example. You talk to him about batting and get that mindset, that mentality, how he went about his game, and I still find that fascinating, having had those battles across the 20 yards.
Yeah, Ashish Nehra said that story of when he, by mistake, happened to hit you for a 6. Yeah. And then he said apparently to you that, I'll give you my wicket, just don't hit me. Next ball. Were you more in disbelief or was he more in disbelief that he managed to hit you for a 6?
I think we're equally in disbelief.
I think we're still looking for that ball. A lot of people are still looking for that ball and see where it is. Okay. That was an Hamilton. Yeah, big round. Okay, chaliye. If you're ready for the rapid fire, Anybody can answer this question. All of you can answer this question. That will be great. Yash, if you were not a cricketer, what would you have been? क्या प्रोफेशन चूज करते आप अगर क्रिकेट नहीं खेलते तो?
मैंने कभी मतलब पहले सोचता था आर्मी में.
Army. That's good. I like that. It's a good answer. Inspiring for the kids. Bondi, you?
I'd probably still be a policeman. I was a policeman before I was a cricketer, and I probably still would be.
Yeah. I don't know how many of you know, but Shane Bond was a police officer before he became a cricketer. So, yeah. So, but he was not in Delhi police, so you don't have to be scared. What about you, Ash? Engineer.
I would have been a failed cricketer, I think.
Failed cricketer. I like that. Robin, you?
I would be in the army.
In the army? Wow, we can see there's a lot of discipline over here in this team.
I was destined to be a soldier.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay, what's the most embarrassing moment you've had on the cricket field?
As a batter sometimes, maybe duck.
Okay.
I remembered I had some embarrassing moments, playing against India, and Kuldeep took a set on me. For the first game of the series he got me out. For the second game of the series I said I'm gonna hit him as far as I can. He got me out again. The third game of the series I said I'm gonna hit him from Jaipur to Delhi. He got me out again. Sometimes when you look back on those moments, all you could do is laugh.
Yeah, you have a chance in a couple of days to hit him again, so there you go.
Unfortunately for me, I've played with him now, so I have an understanding now.
Ah, so you are gonna hit him now. What about you, Ash?
Watched a lot of cricket when I was young. So me and my dad, with a lot of friends, like my household used to be with friends sitting together. We'll watch cricket and then we'll go out and play. So my dad's favorite cricketer was Venkatesh Prasad. For some reason or the other, when he bowled, the ball will be hit, like Jayasuriya would hit it or something. And every time he would say, up him, and the ball will sail into the stands. And my father would get angry and say, up him kya hai isme, up him. So he'll get angry. So once I bowled to Glenn Maxwell in Guwahati, and he smashed me. Like I went for 2 overs, 40 runs or something. That's probably my worst night still now. So I went back home and my friends were there and we were playing gully cricket, and he's like, I just imagined your father meeting out the same treatment that he met out to Venki when you were bowling. Up him and everything with sailed over. That was quite embarrassing because it was amongst my gully cricket friends.
What about you, Shane, anything?
I was lucky. I was playing for New Zealand, but I was playing a club game in a very dry New Zealand summer and slid for the ball on the outfield boundary, and as it does, your trousers catch, and ended up with my bum hanging out in the outfield. Thankfully, it wasn't on television, so I was like,
Oh. Does anybody have that footage on phone camera or something? No? Nothing. Gone forever. यशस्वी, कुछ embarrassing ऐसा कुछ हुआ?
So far, thank God, अभी तक तो नहीं लगा.
हो जाएगा.
थोड़े और साल खेलोगे तो होगा. क्यों नहीं होगा? बिल्कुल आएगा. ड्रेसिंग रूम में किसका म्यूजिक या किसका प्लेलिस्ट बेस्ट होता है?
बेस्ट तो नहीं बोलूंगा, पर ठीक ठाक रहता है. हटमायर का.
Okay. So Shimon Hetmeyer is a 6 on 10 DJ.
He always comes with his speaker and always with the song. Yeah.
So जिसका स्पीकर है उसका म्यूजिक.
Mostly.
That's the rule. ठीक है. We can.
What you don't understand is superb music.
What about?
सब नहीं बोलेंगे, मतलब बजते रहता है तो कोई कुछ बोलता नहीं, तो सब अपना एंजॉय करते रहते हैं जो भी बज रहा है.
तो ठीक है फिर. Who's the best dancer in this dressing room?
Best dancer. I don't know. It is like पता नहीं.
What happens at night stays in the night.
Not massive. Avesh Khan's a lovely dancer.
टांग खींच रहे हैं?
नहीं.
सच्ची में?
अरे बड़ा मजा आता है उसको देख के.
अच्छा. क्या वो थोड़ा Avesh is also a bit of a character, right? He's from whatever I hear from everyone, he's a bit of a character, isn't he? Funny.
Yeah, he is. Very, very confident guy, confident in his own ability, but it was always up for a laugh as well. So he's been a lovely addition to our team.
But he's inadvertently funny, is what I hear. He doesn't intend to be funny, but he's funny. Is that correct?
They're always the funniest guys, the guys who aren't trying to be funny, but just are. They're the guys you like to be around in a cricket team.
Robin, what do you think about Shimron Hetmeyer's DJing capabilities?
I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Yeah, majority of the stuff he play I understand, so that is why.
So that's good. Okay, this is I think one of the kids sent this question. If you could have a superpower, what would that superpower be? If you could have a superpower.
For me, I think is being invincible. Is that a superpower?
Invisible, yeah?
Yeah. I don't want to be in spaces that people don't really know that I am. Interpret that how you want.
Yes, we will not. Ash, what about you? If you had a superpower? You can't say Spider-Man because you already spin a web.
No, jetpack. Like once the ball's in the air, imagine fielders flying, bringing the ball back.
Nice.
And batsmen would have no answers.
So a 6 would never get hit.
Yeah, like you can use it 4 times in a game. Just good enough. That's good enough, right?
Yeah, 2 review, 4 jetpack, 8 impact sub, as if the game is not complicated enough.
4 umpire.
4 umpire. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, I like this question actually. What's the best piece of advice you have ever received? A memorable piece of advice that you received.
I think for me, before the passing of my grandfather, you know, he always tell me that ambition goes a far way. Ambition with discipline sometimes is all you need as a young man. You know, discipline for me is doing the right things unsupervised. You know, for a professional cricketer, you're supposed to run 5 laps. So say for instance, the coach not there. A lot of guys would run 2, run 3. You know, but on that particular day, do 5 or 6, and I think that is discipline. And being ambitious is just wanting better of a situation. You know, us from the Caribbean, from small families, where agriculture and those kind of stuff are primarily what drives the economy. So not a lot of money. You know, so being ambitious, you know, sometimes is all you need.
I love that. Who are you when nobody is watching? That's a great answer. What a great answer. And one final question that I'm going to ask all of you. What's the best part about being a Rajasthan Royal? What do you enjoy the most about being a Royal?
I think you've got a job where you're doing something that you love. And then you're sharing it with like-minded people and people that you like. So the beauty of whatever IPL team you meet, you have friends in those teams. You look forward to seeing them, but you grow close to the people that are around you. And when you're sharing their success and success together and getting paid for it, it's pretty good.
That's good. Yes, aapke liye, the favorite part about being a Rajasthan Royal?
I think it's like a family. Wherever I go, when I go and play a lot of cricket somewhere else, when I'm coming back, I'm feeling so like I'm coming into the family and being really relaxed and know that I'm going to improve here as a person, as a cricketer, and I'm learning a lot of things. Then I think it's just wonderful to be back always whenever I can.
Lovely. Ash, you want to add something to that? What do you enjoy about being a Royal?
Look, I think I've been in a lot of teams. Of late, the Indian team's got a great atmosphere. But this is one team where I genuinely have felt that people enjoy one another's success. And those are lines that are amazing when you write it on a wall or a board and say, you know, part of a team culture and ethics. But I genuinely have felt, personally, I've felt happy for so many guys who've come through the ranks and done very well.
Yeah.
At the same time, I see it is very reciprocated. And it's not so easy. It's a good environment to be in, and good human beings make good environments, and it's happening.
Excellent. I just want to tell you, all of us here are big fans of the Rajasthan Royals. We are all rooting for you this year. We won't put any more pressure, but we just hope that you keep winning and you keep winning and you keep winning. Big round of applause for our champions, the Royals, please. Very good.